Watch AI create a sales leads pipeline dashboard from scratch in under 2 minutes. This is what we're building. This is the data we're working with. Let's create it live. We'll start by importing our data. File uploaded successfully. Now we click Create Dashboard and watch as Bricks AI analyzes our sales data and automatically generates perfect visualizations. The AI identifies patterns in deal values, pipeline stages, lead sources, and probabilities. It's creating charts showing deal value by stage, expected pipeline value over time, lead distribution by source, and detailed breakdowns. Our sales leads pipeline dashboard is complete with 5 interactive charts and 2 data tables. We can customize the theme instantly. Now let's enter presentation mode to showcase our insights. In presentation mode, every chart becomes full screen and interactive, perfect for executive meetings and client presentations. We can navigate between visualizations seamlessly. Back to edit mode, we can scroll and interact with all widgets. Try Bricks today and transform how you work with data.